How to add, create, or start a new repair order in MaxxTraxx. Special notice: appointments are best used for scheduling future work. To write up work that is starting immediately, go directly to the Add a New Repair Order function. How to start the Add Repair Order process from the service counter. From the main service counter or schedule, click the Add Repair Order button found at the top on the left-hand side. This will launch the Customer Search Wizard. The default search method is set to customer last name and/or company name. However, one can also activate the very useful wildcard search function by checking the box next to Use Wildcard Search here. This will find the items entered whether they're found in the first, last name, or company name fields. Additionally, there are other options available running across the top separated into tabs. One can search by license plate, unit number, VIN, phone, and even year, make, model. To begin a search by the last name, company name default, start typing the first few characters to locate. Special note: there is no need to place the mouse cursor in the locate box, just begin typing. This applies to all search functions in MaxxTraxx where there is a locate or search box displayed. Typed characters will appear there. If the customer is found and the entry is highlighted in blue, click the Next button at the lower right or tap your keyboard's Enter key to accept and move to the next step. This is where one will either select an existing vehicle associated with that customer's record or add a new one. We will stop this appointment for now and show how to add a new customer and a new vehicle. When the Add Customer button is clicked, it will launch the Customer Add Wizard. This first screen asks to define the customer by type. That will either be a person or a company. Select one and click Next to proceed. Here, enter your customer's first and last name or company name, then click Next. The following screen prompts for additional information like address and email. Nothing here is required to proceed, so one can simply click Next when ready. Here it asks for phone information. These fields are optional too, so click Next when done. The Details screen contains options for adding a resale number or changing the default price or tax code. Also, there is an option to add a driver's license number. Only one field on this page is required, which is the price code, and that is already set to the company default for us. We can change the customer's part price code here if desired too. Click Next to continue. At the Select Vehicle dialog box, one must add a vehicle to complete the addition of a new customer or to add one to an existing customer. The default search is set to license plate, along with the two-letter state abbreviation. This locates the vehicle information using a combination of Carfax and ACE's vehicle tables. Many shops find this the quickest way to pull the year, make, model, and engine of a vehicle as well as the VIN. Special notice: the free Carfax Tools integration must be activated in Setups first in order for the license plate and VIN decoding lookups to function. However, there are other search options running down the left-hand side separated into tabs. One can manually enter the year, make, and model of the vehicle. One can also search strictly by the VIN. Or a custom vehicle can be created and added to the system, which is totally definable by the user. This comes in very useful for shops that service items like heavy equipment, tractor trailers, farm machinery, and more. We'll just manually input a vehicle here. We'll choose a Chevrolet Traverse High Country Edition. There we go, finish. Once a vehicle is created and saved, its master record will display for confirmation. This screen allows one to add even more details like a unit number or transmission, chassis, and drive types, just to name a few examples. Once satisfied, click the OK button in the lower right to finalize the addition of a new vehicle to a customer's permanent record. Once a customer is chosen or created and a vehicle is selected or added, the repair order or service writing screen opens up. The main window at the top where the jobs will go is blank and waiting for input. To save a newly created repair order, which will also automatically assign the next invoice number in line based on setups, click the OK button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then, at the top of the list, click Save Only. This concludes this tutorial about creating, starting, or adding a new repair order. To learn how to put together jobs on a newly created repair order, please refer to a knowledge base article or video called Add or Build a Job on a Repair Order. To learn more about the repair order screen in general, please refer to the knowledge base KB article or video called Repair Order Screen Overview and Navigation. We hope you found the preceding video helpful. MaxxTraxx team members are readily available to provide personal assistance via several methods as shown here, Monday through Friday, 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Time. Thank you for watching.